Hi everybody, it's Jill from Fig Jam. Just having some fun today with some remake of some candles. I made some candles the other day and I was not happy with how they turned out. So the beauty of candles is that you can just remelt them, remove the old wick, and put new wicks in. This little one here is one of my newer moulds and it really is lovely, floral all on the inside, but it's a little bit off in it's not flat. So I have to just be careful. And the same with these, I find you've got to be really careful not to overfill them, otherwise you end up with a great difficulty getting the bottoms flat, even though I've tried a few different tricks to do that. And just showing everybody that this is the tool I use to add the wick in. So I bought one of these. I got that off Temu. It was something like $2, and it's actually really quite easy to use. I'm very glad I spent the whole $2 on that. And I also bought a roll of wick, and this is really quite nice. I don't remember what the thickness is, but it's worked quite well with pellet candles because you don't want them to burn too quickly, because of the nature of them, they do burn quite quickly, as opposed to those in jars. So anyway, I've removed the wick, and I'm just about to pour a little bit extra sandalwood fragrance into the wax, which is here. I've melted that down on the stove. So I'm just going to add a little bit, not a lot, because I don't want to overdo it. So just, a quick dash. That'll do. And now I'll give that a good mix. I do have stearic acid in my mix, so I don't need to put any more in because this is, remember, just a remelt. And I bought the candle wax colour off Temu too. It was something like, I don't remember now. Not a lot of money for a bag full of different coloured waxes, which has just been really, really good. So I'm now going to pour the wax into a smaller jug to make it a little bit easier to manage, because it's quite difficult to manage it out of a very big jug. So I'm using a smaller jug. So I'm just going to scrape all the wax out into the little jug behind me. So I now have this much smaller jug to use. Oops, splashing it everywhere. Anyway, what I may also wanted to update everybody on is that I'm going to be running a giveaway, and it'll be for a subscriber. So somebody that subscribes to the channel, and I'm asking everybody to leave a comment. So tell me where you're from. Are you Aussie or are you from another country? So that I can just get to know you a little bit better. And so I'm asking everybody to come and subscribe, and then go in the giveaway, and I will do a specific giveaway video in the next day or so, and I will show you what the prizes are going to be. And it's open worldwide, because YouTube is a worldwide platform, isn't it? It doesn't matter where we live. People from all over the world watch YouTube. What I love about it, I've met some great people through the YouTube app. So yeah, so I'm going to run a giveaway. There'll probably be some really nice soaps, and I'm actually finishing off. This looks good. Happy with that. So now they're both full. So now I just have to wait and see hopefully they set up. I think that looks a bit better, a little bit flatter. When you overfill, you tend to get the stick in the middle sticks to the wax, so you get like a mound in the middle, and it's all right. I tried the other day using a shaver to bring it down flat, but you know what, that just does not work anywhere near as well as you'd like it to. So anyway, I'm going to let them sit, go hard, and then I'll move them. And then this afternoon I'm actually making soap today as well, so I'm going to make milk and roses. I've got some lovely rose petals to use, and a lovely pink, might make it pink and white swirl with roses on top, textured top, and it'll have milk. I'll be using a milk powder in it, so it'll be extra creamy. And one of the things I like to add into my soap is a teaspoon of caster sugar, because that makes them extra bubbly. So if you're looking for bubbles, I picked that up off a very seasoned soap maker, the sugar, and also the coconut milk, and as well as coconut oil helps to get your bubbles. But sugar, a teaspoon, which is not a lot, in a kilo of soap, and you'll end up with a really bubbly bar. And with the milk, it makes it really creamy. So anyway, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you're already on the list, so that when I do my giveaway, you're in with a chance to win some free soaps, and there'll be some other goodies. I'll make up a pack. I've just got to sit down and work out what that's going to be. But all you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment telling me where you're from. Love to have you share my little video as well. That'd be brilliant. And yeah, so anyway, we'll see what these look like, and I'll post a video showing the outcome of these two. These are made with a carrot soy wax, which is a pillar wax that I bought off, I think it might be Aussie Candle Supplies, Aussie Soap Supplies. Yeah, anyway, it's a really nice wax. And yeah, so there you go. Have a great day, everybody. Bye from Jill.